The Texas Heart Institute Center for Cardiovascular Care provides more than traditional cardiovascular medicine. We are a direct patient care offering that is fully integrated with our world-class research and education arms established by Dr. Denton A. Cooley in 1962. Since our inception, over 60 years ago, we've been providing exceptional care to patients from around the globe. We truly are a full-service center with first-hand access to innovative research, training, and education, and share our learnings with others around the world to improve the health of communities. Because of this, we attract local, regional, and international patients seeking excellent cardiovascular care, as well as cardiologists and heart surgeons looking for expert opinions for their most challenging cases. Excellence in clinical care is our reality. We believe that perfect patient care is achievable. Our uncompromising focus on quality, value, and the patient experience is next to none. With our clinical expertise and innovation, we are a trusted source of cardiovascular care and information. In fact, our website, which includes more than 400 topics and articles in over 100 languages, is visited by over 1 million people every month from more than 240 countries, territories, and dependencies. Our reputation, founded on excellent care and providing a consistent, exceptional experience, has allowed us to promote the importance of cardiovascular health and grow as an organization. That growth has brought us here today. In a new state-of-the-art space, we usher in a new era of excellence. What else sets us apart? Our commitment to delivering a consistent, exceptional patient experience. We show our patients that our sole focus is in finding newer, less invasive ways to heal their hearts so they can be free to live fuller, healthier lives. We are attentive to our patients and respectful of their time. We ensure that the expert information we give our patients is clear and easy for them and their loved ones to fully understand. We are with our patients every step of the way in their journey to cardiovascular wellness with an uncompromising focus on quality, safety, and value. The result? Our patients have a gratifying experience, are inspired by us, trust us, and recommend us to their family, friends, and colleagues. This consistent approach allows us to continue to deliver the future of care today.